Zigzag House by Dan Gayfer. Design in Thornbury, Australia. Zigzag House is not only brimming with an abundance of natural light but also an assembly of delicately detailed components that are bespoke in their design and execution. Inherent in a striking palette of materials and functionality, both practical and flexible, it is delightfully engaging as you move throughout this single-fronted family home. There was a conscious effort throughout the design process to implement an assortment of unique elements that were not only tailored for the project but in a highly detailed and considered manner. Delivered at different scales, these components are present throughout the house for people to not only experience but engage with. The vanity in the bathroom is one such element. The terrazzo bench top, with a 200 mm drop-down apron, has a zigzag-like incision in the center that allows a hand towel to hang on what is an exposed segment of the draw finger rail, unique in its design yet engaging in that it serves a particular function for the user. Moving into the kitchen and dining spaces, the first thing that grabs your attention is the 4.6 m x 1.2 m custom skylight located above the island bench. The skylight is remarkable in both size and function, and the voluminous natural light it provides guarantees that these central living spaces will always be inviting spaces to be in. The island bench itself is perhaps the pivotal piece within the entire project. The use of marble is unique in the way it has been manipulated into ethereal, elegant, curving forms that portray an allure not typically associated with stone material. Rather than feeling like a slab of stone, its dainty edging and refined appearance give the impression that the bench has been carefully wrapped in thick paper or a soft sheet. Although the idea of a bar nook is nothing new, there are several small-scale features within that are not only tailor-made but high-functioning, especially for those who like wine. Wine glasses can be hung from a solid board of timber via routed slots into which the stems of the glass effortlessly slide. The drawers below have been customized with wine rack inserts in which the labels of bottles can be displayed upon opening the drawer, a unique assortment of elements that again engages the user. One of the most apparent features of the house is the solid European oak timber parquetry flooring laid throughout in a chevron pattern. Though not unique as such, this distinctive, lively zigzag pattern is an effective divergence from the more flowing, smooth materials such as the marble on the island bench and porcelain paneling employed on the cooktop bench.